what will be the formula of Sn? Just look here, Sn equal to A into r to the power n minus 1 divided by r minus 1, and also A into 1 minus r to the power n 1 minus r. Okay, why these two types of formula? Just look here, r minus 1, that means when r greater than 1. So when, for this case, when r greater than 1, this formula will be applicable, and when r less than 1, this formula will be applicable. So this formula should be remembered. Okay, by this we will solve various problems. Okay. Hi, welcome back to our channel anganastudycente. Today we will learn about the geometric progression. In the previous class we have learned about the sequence series and solve various problems, and today we will solve various problems of GP, and then we will learn about the GM and find out some formulas of GP and solve various problems by using that formula, and we will also found the relation between AM and GM, that means arithmetic mean and geometric mean. Okay, let's start our class. So geometric progression, in short GP. Okay, what is GP? A sequence is called GP when all the terms are non-zero. Okay, so terms will not be zero, and a plus 1 by a k equal to r. R means the common ratio is a constant when a greater equal to 1. Okay, so k, the value of k will not be 0. Okay, let's suppose a1, a2, a3, n is a sequence. Okay, this is a sequence. Okay, now for this GP we have two concepts. Just remember that. The concept of first term and the common ratio. That means common ratio is equal to the second term by the first term, or third term by the second term. That means the term divided by the previous term in the sequence. Okay. So let ar square up to infinity is the sequence. Okay. Here, just look. If we take this second term, so second term is a, and the first term is a. First term is okay. Now I have already told you the common ratio. That means this r common ratio is equal to the next term divided by the previous term. So the common ratio r equal to here ar by a. Okay, and similarly if we take these two terms, that means the third and the second term, the common ratio will be ar square divided by ar, that means a. So there is r. So we found the common ratio in the first term, that means a is the first term and r is the common ratio. Okay, let we take a GP ar square dot up to infinity is a GP. Okay, where the first term is a, the common ratio equal to r. Okay, I mean if we take the second term, that means ar, and divide that by the first term, so we get r. Similarly you can take the third and second, and that will be r. Okay, then look ar square there. Okay, so we got r. Okay, we have wrote up to wrote three terms and then dot. So if there is a question, what will be the 13th term? What will be the 13th term? Are you known? Just here for this first term a, we can write this as a r to the power 1 minus 1. Can we write? Yes, as r to the power 1 minus 1 is equal to r to the power 0. That means 1. So that will be a. this AR can be written as A r to the power 2 minus 1. That means r to the power 1. So that will be AR, and A r square can be written as A r to the power 3 minus 1. Okay. So up to infinity. So for this first term, we can take the power of r as 1 minus 1. For the second, we have seen the power of r is 2 minus 1. That means for second, the power of r is 2 minus 1. So for 13th term will be here. Just write the first term into r to the power here 13th term. That means 13 minus 1. So a r to the power 12. Okay. So in general, when you have to find the nth term. In general, the nth term of GP is a r to the power n minus 1. Okay, equal to n. This is a formula. Okay. By this, we can solve various problems. Okay, let's see. Like sequential series, the geometric progression, that means GP, are of two types. That means finite and infinite. Finite means when the terms are countable. So let a r square dot 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 a r to the power n minus 1. Okay. Here up to nth term. That means that are countable. If there is a GP a r square dot 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 a r to the power n minus 1 comma dot 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 up to infinity, that means the terms are not countable. So this is infinite, and as these terms are countable, so this is finite. Okay, here we will learn about the sum of the nth term of a GP. Let a GP is a r square dot 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 a r to the power n minus a r to the power n minus 1 is a GP. Okay, where first term is a and common ratio is r. Now the sum to the nth term of the GP is denoted by Sn. Okay. So sum to the nth term of GP is denoted by Sn, where Sn equal to a plus ar plus dot 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 a r to the power n minus 1. Okay. So what will be the formula of Sn? Just look here. Sn equal to a into r to the power n minus 1 divided by r minus 1, and also a into 1 minus r to the power n 1 minus r. Okay. Why these two types of formula? Just look here, r minus 1. That means when r greater than 1. So when, for this case, when r greater than 1, this formula will be applicable, and when r less than 1, this formula will be applicable. So this formula should be remembered. Okay. By this, we will solve various problems. Okay. Then look at this question. Find the 10th term and nth term of GP 5, 25, 125 up to infinity. So here the first term is 5. Okay. The common ratio, first term a. Okay. Ratio r equal to 25 by 5. That means 5. So we know the formula. The 10th term equal to a10. Okay, we know the formula, equal to a r to the power 10 minus 1. So a r to the power 9. Okay, so just put here the value of a and r. So 5 dot 5 to the power 9. So 5 to the power 10. Okay, will be the answer. And the nth term equal to an. Okay, so n will be a r to the power n minus 1. So 5 into 5 to the power n minus 1. That means 5 to the power 10. Okay, clear? Now look at this. Which term of GP 2, 8, 32 up to n term is 131072? So we have to particular term whose value is 131072. So let the term is x term of GP. So now applying the formula to find the x term. So a x equal to a r to the power x minus 1. Here a equal to, that means first term is 2 and r equal to 8 by 2. Here a equal to 2 and r means common ratio, that means 8 by 2 equal to 4. So just putting here. So by the condition we have a r to the power x minus 1 is equal to 131072, or just putting the value of a and r, 2 dot 4 to the power x minus 1 is equal to 131072. Just 4 x to the power 1 is equal to 131072 divided by 2, that means 6 I 36. Okay, so I am doing here, or 4 to the power x minus 1 equal to 256 square. Okay, this is the value of the whole square of 256. Okay, 256 is square of 16 to the power whole square. So 16 is square of 4. So 2. So this is 4 to the power 8. So therefore we can write the what is of index. We write x minus 1 equal to 8 or x equal to 9. So that will be the 9th term. Okay, whose value is 131072. Let's just look at this question. In a GP, the third term is 24, sixth term is 192. Find the 10th term. So in question, there is third term, there is sixth term. So we have to find the 10th term. So let A be the first term of GP and R is common ratio. Okay. So by the formula we have known the third term equal to A3, that means AR square. Okay, that means AR to the power 3 minus 1 equal to AR square equal to, by the condition we have 24. This is number 1 equation. And now the sixth term, that means A6 equal to AR to the power 6 minus 1 equal to AR to the power 5 equal to 192. Okay, now just divide the 2 by 1. So now 2 divided by 1 equation, we get a r to the power 5 divided by a r square equal to 192 divided by 24. A will be cancelled out and r square r to the power, there will be r cube, and here if we cancel out 2, if we divide 24 by 12, and here 2, and that will be 8. So r cube equal to 8, or r equal to 2. Okay, so we get r. So a equal to, if we put the value of r here, we get a equal to 24 divided by r square equal to 4, that means 6. Okay, so the fifth term equal to a r to the power 10 minus 1, that means a r to the power 9, that means here the value of a is 6 and the value of r is 2 to the power 9. Okay, and therefore 6 into 32 into 60. Okay, just calculate at home, that will be your answer. Okay, now look at this. Find the sum of the first nth term and the sum of the first 5 term of geometric series 1 plus 2 by 3 plus 4 by 9. Here we can write this series as GP. Therefore the GP is 1, 2 by 3, 4 by 9, up to infinity. So here the first term is 1. So here the first term equal to a equal to 1, and the common ratio equal to r equal to, here the second term 2 by 3, that means 2 by 3 divided by 1, that means 2 by 3. Okay, so sum of the factor. We have already known the formula to find out the sum to the nth term. So here we know the sum to the nth term of GP is equal to Sn equal to A into here. Which formula will be applicable? Here just see. R equal to 2 by 3. That means less than 1. So 1 minus r to the power n divided by 1 minus r. That formula will be applicable here. Okay. So for the fifth term, so the sum to the first fifth 5 terms of GP will be S5. That means just putting here the value of A and R. So 1 into 1 minus R equal to 2 by 3 to the power 5. 1 minus 2 by 3. So that will be 1 minus 2 3 to the power 5 divided by 3 minus 2 divided by 3. So that will be 3 into 1 minus 2 by 3 to the power 5. Okay. That will be your answer. Okay. And for this nth term, just putting here the value of A and R. So value of A equal to 1 and R equal to 1 minus 2 by 3 to the power n, 1 minus 2 by 3. Okay. So 3 into 1 minus 2 to the power n divided by 3 to the power n. That will be the sum of the nth term, and this will be the sum of the 5 term, first 5 term. So this will be 3 into 3 to the power 5 minus 2 to the power 5 divided by 3 to the power 5. Okay. Just 3 to the power 4 equal to here 3. So here 3 to the power 5, that means 3 to the power 4, that means 81. So 1 1 2 1 1 divided by 81 will be your answer. Okay. Let's look at this question. How many terms of GP 3, 3 by 2, 3 by 4 up to infinity are needed to give the sum 3069 divided by 51? So let us assume there are n terms. The sum of n term are 3069 divided by 512. So let the sum to the n terms of GP will be 3069 divided by 512. Okay. Here the first term is here A equal to 3 and R, that means common ratio equal to 3 by 2 into 1 by 3, that means 1 by 2. So according to the condition we know the sum to the nth term will be here R is less than 1, so that formula will be 1 minus R to the power n divided by 1 minus R equal to 3069 divided by 512. Just putting here the value here A equal to 3, 1 minus R to the power n equal to 1 by 2 to the power n minus 1. Okay. Sorry, n. Okay. 1 minus okay equal to 3069 divided by 512. Just cancel out 3, 1 0 2 3. Okay. And I'm doing here or here 1 minus 1 by 2 to the power n divided by equal to 1023 into 512. Just or this will be 1 by 2 to the n is equal to 1023 into 1024. So or 1 by 1024 equal to 1 by 2 to the power n. Okay. Or this can be written as 2 to the power n is equal to 2 to the power 10 implies n equal to 10. Okay. So there will be nth term and the sum will be sum of the nth term will be 3069 divided by 512. Okay. Now look at this. The sum of the first 3 term of GP is 13 by 12 and their product is minus 1. Find the common ratio and the sum. So we first take the 3 terms. Let the 3 terms are just A, AR, A, R. Okay. These are the 3 terms. So according to the condition, we have A plus AR plus A R square equal to 13 by 12. So just common here A, we get 1 plus R by R plus R square equal to 13 by 12. And the product is minus 1. So A into AR into A R square equal to minus 1. So by here AR whole cube equal to minus 1, or from by this AR equal to minus 1, taking the real roots. Okay, so AR equal to minus 1 here. So here A equal to minus 1 by. Okay, now putting the value of A in this equation. Okay, so or minus 1 by R, 1 plus R square equal to 13 by 12, or 12 plus, just cross multiply, okay, plus 12 R square equal to minus 39, or 12 R square plus 25 R plus 12 equal to 0. So I am doing here, just applying the Acharya formula, we get R equal to minus 25 plus minus root B square, that means 625 minus 4 AC, that means 144 into 4, that means 576 divided by 2A, that means 12 into 2, that means 24. So it will be minus 25 plus minus 7 divided by 24. So either R equal to minus 25 plus 7, that means minus 18 by 24, that means minus 3 by 4, or R equal to minus 4 by 3. Okay, so we got the common ratio, and the term will be, here we have to find the A. Okay, here A equal to 1 by R. So when R equal to minus 3 by 4, A equal to 4 by 3, and when R equal to minus 4 by 3, A equal to 3 by 4. So the terms are either A equal to 4 by 3, A equal to 4 by 3 into A equal to minus 1, and A R square equal to A equal to 4 by 3, R square equal to 9 divided by 16, that means 4, 3, 4. That means 4 by 3 minus 1 and 3 by 4. Either this is the terms, or if R equal to minus 4 by 3, then A equal to 3 by 4 minus 1 and 4 by 3. Okay, this will be your answer. Then look at this question. Find the sum of the sequence 7, 7, 7, 7, 7, 7, 7, 7, 7, 7, and up to nth term. Is this a GP? Absolutely no. We know to find the sum of nth term of GP, but it is not a GP. So we can find the sum of this nth term of this sequence by applying some technique in this. Let's look. Here we can write this as 7 7 plus 7 7 7 plus 7 7 7 7 plus dot 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 n term. Okay. So if we common 7 from here, okay, there will be 1 plus 11 plus 1 1 1 plus 1 1 1 plus dot 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 up to nth. Okay. Now just divide by 9. We get 9 plus 99 plus 999 plus 9999 plus dot dot n term. Okay. Now just 9 equal to, we can write 10 minus 1. 99 equal to 100 minus 1. 999 equal to 1000 minus 1 up to nth term. Okay. So 7 by 9. Here we can write 10 plus 100 plus 1000 plus up to nth term, minus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus dot 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 up to nth term. Okay. So there will be two sections. So this is a GP. So we know the formula. Just apply. Here first term will be 10, and here R is greater than 1. So R to the power n, that means 10 to the power n minus 1 divided by R minus 1, that means 10 minus 1, that means 9. Okay. and here this term will be n. Okay, that will be your answer. Now look at this question. A person has 2 parents, 4 grandparents, 8 great grandparents, and so on. Find the number of his ancestors during 10 generations preceding his. So if we consider this as a GP, so the GP is 2, 4, 8, dot, dot, dot. Okay, so here we have to find the 10 generation. Okay, that means n equal to 10, and here a equal to 2, r equal to 4 by 2. That means, so the number of his ancestors during 10 generation will be S10 equal to a into r to the power n minus 1 divided by r minus 1, as r greater than 1. So we use this formula. So here a equal to 2, r equal to 2 to the power 10 minus 1 divided by 2 minus 1. That means 2 into 2 to the power 10 minus 1. So that will be 2 into 32 into 32 minus 1. There 32 equal to 4, 6, 6, 9, 4, 1024 minus 1 equal to 1023 into 2, that means 6, 4, 0, 2 equal to 2046 will be your answer. Okay, we will know about the geometric mean. Let AB are 2 positive numbers. Okay, then the geometric mean, that means GM of AB equal to root of. Okay, let's look at this question. Insert 3 numbers between 1 and 256 so that the resulting sequence is a GP. So let the 3 terms are G1, G2 and G3. Okay, so the GP is 1, G1, G2, G3, 256. Okay, so here the first term a equal to 1 and the last term, that means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the fifth term equal to 256. That means the formula of fifth term equal to a5 equal to a r to the power 5 minus 1. So here a r to the power 4. So a equal to 1, that means r to the power 4 equal to 256. Just calculate. Or r to the power 4 equal to here 16 square, or r to the power 4 equal to 4 to the power 4, or r equal to 4. Okay, plus minus 4, sorry. So therefore r equal to 4 when taking the real root. Okay, so the term will be G1 is equal to AR, that means 1 into r equal to 4, that means 4. G2 equal to AR square equal to 1 into r equal to 4 square equal to 16, and G3 equal to AR cube equal to 1 into 4 cube, that means 64. Okay, that will be your answer. Now look at this question. If AM and GM of 2 positive numbers A and B are 10 and 8, find the A and B. We know the A mean arithmetic mean of 2 numbers A and B. The AM of A and B equal to A plus B by 2. We have learned in previous class. Okay, and the GM of A and B equal to root over AB. Okay, clear? So according to the condition, we have here A plus B by 2 equal to 10 and root AB equal to 8, or A plus B equal to 20, one equation, and or AB equal to 64, equation number 2. Now we know A minus B whole square equal to A plus B whole square minus 4AB. Okay, so just putting here the value of AB, A plus B and AB. So we get 20 square minus 4 into 64. So we get 400 minus 256, that means 444. Therefore, either a minus b equal to 12 or a minus b equal to minus 12. Okay. So, when a minus b equal to 12, then 2a equal to, just solving this equation number 1 and this. Okay. We get 2a equal to 32, a equal to 16, and therefore b equal to 4. And when a minus b equal to minus 12. So, just solve this and this, we get 2a equal to 8 or a equal to 4, therefore b equal to 6. Okay. So, the values of AB are of this type. Okay. That's all for today's class. We have learned up to this relation, and in the next class, we have solved more problems. Okay. If you like this video, please press the like button and subscribe our channel and share with your friends.